We have a next question from the Discord channel asked by Zodi. Zodi saying, when I put retouch render output in portrait segmentation, it is flipped upside down. To fix this, I would like to use a patch or something to invert the texture's UVs and invert it. I think they're asking for help on how to fix an upside down UV.
I'm curious about this. Let's see. Portrait segmentation. Oh, yeah. So is this, I see. Is this coming from a template? Because our segmentation changed recently, you might have noticed. So now when you create a portrait segmentation texture, there's no actual way to change it. It's actually, you have to add object segmentation, portrait segmentation, and you'll notice if you click on this, it's actually a segmentation material that uses the segmentation texture. So if you have like an old template or an old project that uses the old segmentation texture, those ones will be flipped upside down because they're from before the change where we flipped all of the render textures upside down to return them back to the unflipped. So that's what I think is most likely happening. But if you got it from a specific template, please let us know, because that might mean that there's a template out there that we haven't changed over to the new way. So that would be super valuable, and we'll change it right away.
Yep. Thank you for reporting it. I think this question might also be from a couple days back. So it might have been before we switched over to the new template style. But if you're still having this question, please let us know so we can fix it for you.